Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video guys, I will teach you on how to write a program that will ask the user to give four numbers, and then our program will simply add the sum of the four numbers using C# programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I am here in my Microsoft Visual Studio Express Edition 2008. So we have here variables of four numbers. We have double. So the data type double will accept numbers with decimal places. So we have four variables: num1, num2, num3, and num4. The title of our program: addition of four numbers in C#. This line of code asking the user to give first number that will be stored in our variable num1. This one will ask the second number that will be stored in our variable num2. The same thing with third number num3, and fourth number num4. So here calculate the sum, double sum, assignment statement, num1 plus num2 plus num3 plus num4. So this will be the result, the sum of four numbers is sum. And then we have here console read key to display the output instead of exiting in our program. Let us click the play button here to execute the program. Addition of four numbers in C#. Enter first number, we have 1, second number we have 2, third number we have 3, fourth number we have 4. So the sum of four numbers is 10. Another example: 6, 7, 8, 9. So the sum of 6, 7, 8, and 9 is 30. Okay guys, so this is the end of my video on addition of four numbers using C# programming language CIS. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jig saying bye bye for now.